This is yours?
The Mech is.
Okay.
You guys find the one that this one? The ring compressor. What?
The compressor, the one that you borrowed.
Compressor, right?
Oh, we were looking for a ring compressor kit.
Yeah, you find it?
Oh no, valve.
So what's the reading?
You should be getting anything above 100.
What is it?
Under 4 pops.
So this one here?
That's all the way. You have to be careful
No.
when you get these.
You have jumper wire?
You don't want one that's way too deep.
No.
If it doesn't, that's fine, that's fine. I'll go straight. Ready? You sure you have flashlight?
1 second, guys. Let me just set this straight.
You sure you have your glasses?
Glasses, goggles.
Like this is loose. Yeah, pull it like. See, like this is loose. You have to pull it.
Make sure it's tight, because it's not.
I hope that this is hit the bed.
No, it didn't. Because you can see it on the valve. And it's nothing on
I'm
it.
talking about that valve that. So it doesn't go back.
Ready?
It's good to go this time.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna go directly.
Watch your eyes. They go direct. The right way, guys. This is the right way. So you guys can.
Jumpers?
Give me jumper. 2 jumpers.
Or put it directly to the battery?
Just give me 2 jumpers.
Stay
2
with
jumpers,
it.
guys.
Do you have jumpers or no?
Oh, I thought you said you didn't want the jumpers. Do you need
That
jumpers?
changed my mind. 2 jumpers.
Okay.
So one right here. Go to power. Pick it up here. Okay. Can you do the ground? Okay.
Watch out, because it might come out. Actually, it will come out.
Hold the engine so it doesn't.
Okay.
Like that.
Got it?
So
No. Because this is going to move.
Go ahead. Now, hook up this one to this one. Be careful, guys. You're going to start.
What are we getting?
A lot. So we're good. We're great.
Oh, leg. That's pretty high, huh?
Really
Yeah,
hard.
right.
Now, disconnect it and
Is that
connect
good
to
or
the other
bad?
one.
That's good?
It's what's the number?
Like
it
one,
was like one-
past
It was a
125.
little below 150.
Yeah, like 135,
Yeah,
140.
past
Yeah.
125.
Not bad. So now we're going to hook it up to the other one here and see.
What's on both sides?
Oh, I guess
So
so.
we just check compression for this
Be
side?
be careful.
Okay, disconnect first, disconnect.
Are we checking the other side or what?
Yeah.
I'll hold it. Are you guys ready?
Put it. Ready? Same number.
I mean almost 140, 130.
Like the other one.
Not bad. I mean, you guys are high then.
Oh, nice.
Yay!
Alright, let's go eat.
Let's get out of here.